Hello everyone, welcome again. Today I'm going to make veg burger. So let's get started. First I'm going to make mixture for burger. For that add some oil. Once oil heat, then add 3 to 4 finely chopped green chili. Then I'm going to add 1 spoon ginger garlic paste. Here we don't need onion or tomatoes. Now I'm going to add finely chopped French beans and finely chopped carrot. Just mix it properly. Just wet the veggies, don't get golden brown color. Then I'm going to add green peas. Just cook for 5 to 6 minutes. After cooking 70 to 80% veggies, then I'm going to add seasoning, some turmeric, coriander powder and cumin powder. Mix it well. Now I'm going to add boiled mashed potatoes. Here I am using 5 boiled potatoes. Add in the mixture. Mix it properly, or you can mash with the mashers. Now I'm going to add salt. Mash it well so that you will make perfect patties out of this mixture. Just cook for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see our mixture is ready. Add some coriander leaves. Mix it. Cool down for at least 1 hour in the refrigerator. After 1 hour, I'm going to take out these mixtures and now make the patties. Now take some portion and make a burger tikka. Here you can use cutter also. Now burger patty is ready, and here I have some all-purpose flour. Add some salt, mix it, and then add some water and make smooth paste. Make smooth paste like this. And here I am using brown bread crumbs and some crushed poha. Mix it. First add burger patty into this batter. Coat properly. Add into the breadcrumbs. Coat properly. Meanwhile, heat the pan. Here I am going to shallow fry the patties. If you want, you can deep fry the patties. Here you go. The burger patty is coated properly. Once pan heat, then add patties. After 5 to 6 minutes, you can change the side. You can see once the burger patties has golden brown color, and then change the side. Just roast the bun. Just sprinkle some salt. Now add some mayo and tomato ketchup. Add some fresh iceberg lettuce and tomatoes. Sprinkle some salt. Then put our veg patty. Now add onion rings. Here you can use raw onion also. Some tomato. Here you can add cheese slice also. Here I am not using cheese slice. Here our veg burger is ready. Here our veg burger is ready. Looking yummy. Please give it a try and share your experience through comments. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe, like and share with your friends. See you soon with next video. Bye bye.